Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we will learn how to print a multiplication table on Python. Yes, you heard it right. I will teach you how to print a multiplication table on Python. It's pretty simple. It just got a few cases, and with doing that you will be able to print a multiplication table. Okay. So firstly, let's look through a series of a multiplication of a number and let's understand some common things that takes place through it. Okay. So I have written down the multiplication table of 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and it just goes on till 3 tens are 30. Okay, so we are what the main thing that we will be giving is an input to the user to give a certain number whichever he likes, so that he or she would see the output of the number in the form of a multiplication table. Okay, so let's say the user gives an input of number 3. Okay, so he gives a number of 3, and then what does the computer need to do? It needs to multiply the number from 1 to 10 and print it to the output. Okay, so the user should be able to see it. So what do we need to do for that mainly? So we need to mainly run a for loop which runs from number 1 to 10, and that number will keep on multiplying the number that is given as an input to the user and return the value. So if you don't understand that, I'll just show you another explanation. So let's say a user chooses a number n. The n number could be anything. So what we need to do is we need to first multiply n with 1, and then we need to display a value. Then we need to multiply n with 2, and we need to again display its value. So that's 2n. Then we need to multiply n with 3 and again display its value. That's 3n, and then it just keeps on going on till n into 10. Okay, so that is our n into 10 is equal to 10n. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So let's understand how we'll do this through our Python program. So let me just pull up my compiler. Okay, so let me just start typing. And so first thing, I would give a user input, right? So I would just create a number underscore input. Let me give an integer input saying that please enter a number. Okay, so I'll keep it as simple as possible. Please enter a number. Okay, so now let's run our range, and for I in range 1 comma 11, because the concepts of range runs that it will run from a given number as its first argument, and its second argument would be 1 less than the given number. So I'm giving an input of 11, so it will run its range from 1 to 10. Okay, so I hope you've understood that. So for I in range 1 comma n, so let me just input another variable saying that val is equal to I into our number input. So as simple as that. And now let me just print you a value saying that print vals. Okay, and let me just run this program and check out. Okay, so it says please enter a number. So let me just enter 5. Okay, so we have got a multiplication table 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on till 50. But let's add something into it which improves this visual look. Okay, so let me just improve f string into our function. If you don't know what's f string, basically f string works as a way to input variables into your print option, so that you could improve its readability of your program and so on. Okay, so let me just bring an f string, and what I would say is show something like something into something is equal to the value. So let me just do that. So for the first thing, I will say that number For our first for f string, I would input a curly bracket and I would give a number input. Okay, so number input cross to show it's being multiplied. Number input cross, just a second. Okay, cross I, that's a number like 1 2 3 4 5, that way. Number cross I, that means is equal to her value, so that's val. As simple as that. Let me put it into curly braces, and now let me run this program and show you how it looks. Please enter number. Let's see, I'll input 6. So it's 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so you do not need to input another set of the indentations. You could just continue it this way. Let me run that. Please enter number 7. So yeah, it looks much better in this than the before way. So it shows that 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and it keeps on going till 7 tens are 70. So that's it from today's video, where we learned how to print a multiplication table through Python, which took mainly 3 important functions, that is a integer input, then a for range, and the most simplest of all, just printing it onto the user's output range. So if you liked my video, please like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.